Welcome to this landmark residence at 443 Queen Street in Brisbane. This northeast penthouse on level 47 soars above the iconic Brisbane River, offering unparalleled luxury and breathtaking panoramic views. From the Brisbane Botanical Gardens and Story Bridge to Moreton Bay and the Glasshouse Mountains, the vistas are simply mesmerising. This magnificent penthouse, designed by the world-renowned architect firm Woha, combines sophisticated design and practical living. The home is crafted with luxurious finishes, including premium stone benchtops, stunning timber floors, Millet appliances, and floor-to-ceiling windows, ensuring every detail is perfect. The layout is optimized for Brisbane's subtropical climate, offering abundant natural light and ventilation. With multiple living and dining spaces, this home is ideal for everything from intimate gatherings to grand celebrations. The master suite boasts a dressing room, ensuite, and sweeping northeast views, while the three oversized bedrooms feature ensuites, generous storage, and private access via a dedicated office or library space. For ultimate convenience, this penthouse includes a private 4-car garage with an EV charger, visitor parking, and additional storage. Residents also have access to an exclusive recreation deck, complete with a 25-metre infinity pool, a commercial-grade kitchen, an outdoor lounge cabana, and a fully equipped gymnasium and yoga deck. Positioned in the heart of Brisbane's business district, you are within walking distance of Queen Street Mall, Howard Smith Wharfs, and premium dining destinations. This rare offering at 443 Queen Street presents an elite lifestyle, unrivaled luxury, and privacy. So don't miss your chance to secure a penthouse that is set to be record-breaking.